Hi. So I wanted to help you with the work you're going to be doing independently the next few days. So please remember it is all on this paper that is in your notebook. So, number one is to finish writing your narrative in your home language. Remember to do that, you go to plus, and then you go to Google Apps, and then you go to Drive or Docs, one or the other. And then if you look for recent items, and type in if you need to. Here's recent. And up here, you could type the word narrative. And that should help you find your narrative to make sure that that is written. Now, the second thing that you are doing is your dictation sentence. So in the Google Classroom, here it says dictation sentence, and that test is Friday. So make sure you're studying for that. The next thing you can do is also right here, you can listen to the ABC 1, 2, 3 song. The next thing is right here, the ordinal numbers. And remember, if you don't know the ordinal numbers in English, you can go up to Google and type in ordinal numbers. And then you will find a lot of options for reading and writing and copying the ordinal numbers. The next thing to do is also in Google Classroom, and it's up here. I retitled it From Far Away, Personal Narrative Text Evidence. So you're going to click on this. And the first time you go through, you're just going to listen to and read every page. 1 and 2, go on to 3 and 4. When you're listening, you can skip the questions and listen to the story by clicking on this purple button in the corner and clicking on play. Now, after you do that the whole way through, you will listen to and read it again, and then stop when you get to page 5. Page 5 tells you to go back to page 3, which is right here. See in the corner, it says 3. So that lets you know that the answer is right here. If you go up here to page 9, it tells you to go to page 5. And again, page 5 is right here in yellow. And so it goes on and on. On page 11, you go to page 7. And the answers are always on that page. This is called looking for text evidence. When you're finished, I want you to listen to my voice, read this page about the main idea of the story, and here you're going to try to add some details from the story that support the main idea. And this last page, you'll put an X on this once you do this to help you remember to do it all. And if you need help, you put an X over here for help. Okay, the next thing to do is the revisions document, which is here. It's in Google Classroom. It says revisions practice. And so here for the revisions practice, you are going to change these letters to capital letters, including North Carolina, and don't forget Louisville. Then you're going to change this question mark so that it's a period, and this exclamation point to a period. And then this one's going to be tricky. You're going to try to add these details up to the story. So for instance, we went to Asheville, North Carolina, but here I didn't say the city. So you can write up here, you could add the word Asheville. Okay, a few more things. You won't be able to do either of those, so don't worry about those. But if you wanted to read your library book or read a book on the library website, here in your Google Classroom, it says read 20 minutes every day. So if you click on this, you can see there are many links here of things that you can read, and then you can fill out the form. So this is what I hope you do to stay busy today. Remember to keep working, and if you need help, to ask other people by you. Okay, bye.